Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2016 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350 in Avalanche Gray on black interior. So we'll just have a look. We'll start over here at the trunk. So a nice size trunk on the Mustang, as you can see. This one comes with the GT350 cover, and we'll have a look underneath. We've got the inflation kit for the tires, so that's there. Have a look in the seams while we're here, nice and clean. Looks great. And we'll just close this one up, have a look from the back here. So there it is. It's got the nice GT350R black with red pinstriping stripes that go up and over. We've got the black factory painted roof and the black deck lid spoiler. We've got LED taillights. We've got the reverse camera and then also the GT350 logo there. We've got the dual exhaust with active exhaust. So there's a switch that will make it louder or quieter depending on what you like. And we'll just move over to the side here. Here's your rear wheel, so it looks good. We've got the nice Brembo brake package on it with cross-drilled rotors and the Michelin tires, so it's great. Over at the passenger side, we've got the Alcantara insert with the white baseball stitching. We've got power locks, power windows, and we've got the dark aluminum brushed finish there on the handles. Here's your GT350 kick plate, looks great. And there's your passenger seat control. So you've got power forward, aft, up and down, and manual recline. And I'll just scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks good. So we'll pull this forward. We'll have a look in the back seat here. There's your back seat, again with the Alcantara inserts. Move this back. And as you get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and clean. We'll check the glove box here. So in the glove box, we've got the books. The books are there. That's great. And we also have a GT350 oil filter removal tool that's VIN to the car. So very cool. Close this up. There's your GT350 VIN or chassis plate. So it's got the chassis number on it. And then just have a look at the dash while I'm on this side. Looks great. So we'll just hop out. We'll close this side up. We've got the nice black mirrors that accent great against the Avalanche Gray with the convex mirror there in the corner. And I'll just start at the back and I'll scan down this side of the car for you so you can have a look. Looks great. There's your GT350 logo with the vent on the front. And here's your front wheel. So it's in good shape, as you can see, Brembo brake package and nice Michelin tires. All right, so under the hood, we've got the V8 5.2 liter engine, which is 526 horsepower, paired to the 6-speed manual transmission. And as you can see, it's nice and tidy, looks good. And then we've got the strut tower brace here for performance. So that's great. So let's close this up and have a look from the front. There it is from the front. So again, the nice stripes that go up and over. We've got a hidden mount for the front plate mount. We've got the Shelby logo embossed in white there in the lower chin spoiler. We've got the projector HID headlights with LED daytime running lights. And our GT350 logo there on the front grille. In terms of stone chips, let's have a look. See what I can find for you. I don't know if that's a chip or not, but I'll just point that out to you. That might just buff out. We haven't polished the car yet, so. And I think this is one here. It blends in pretty good, but there is a couple of them there on it, but I think they've been touched up, so it does look really good. All right, so we'll shift around. Here's your other front wheel. So again, Michelin tires, Brembo brake package, and I'll just show you the rear wheel here as well. Looks great. So over here at the driver's side, we've got our power mirrors, we've got our power windows, power locks, again, the Alcantara with baseball stitching. And we've got the kick plate there, GT350, and here's your power driver's seat. So power fore, aft, up, down, and lumbar, and then manual recline. And I'll just scan up the seat for you so you can see the condition. Looks great. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and clean. Let's get in and fire this one up. There we are. All right. right, so in terms of kilometers, we have 16,920.1. No warning lights, no issues on the dash. Down here we have the arrow keys, which control the dash functions here. We've got our cruise control, we've got our telephone controls in here. On this side, we've got voice command, volume, and track change. We've got adjustable suspension here, so as I click the suspension, you get normal or sport. Below that is the steering. So if I hit steering, we've got steering feel, comfort, normal, or sport. And then we've got mode buttons, so that's your driving mode. So you've got normal, sport, weather, track, or drag strip. So those are all there. We'll leave it in track because that also is changing the exhaust as I do that. And then over here we've got automatic headlights. We've got digital dimmer for the dash. We've got a pocket down here for change or whatever. We've got the trunk release button here. And also note the nice alcantara finish with the center point on the steering wheel. There's your steering wheel. So up here we've got the gauges for oil pressure and oil temp. Down here, let's see, we've got our radio. So we've got audio, we've got sources, AM, FM, Sirius, CD, and Bluetooth. Climate, so dual zone climate control. We've got telephone, we've got nav, so full factory nav, apps, and settings. So there's the options for you. Down here is your climate control. So we've got heated and cooled seats for driver and passenger, and quick buttons for the temperature. So I can move that up and it'll change the driver's temperature. I can move the passenger, it'll move that one as well. So down there, there's your start button. Here's your key, just so you can see what it looks like. It's got the Shelby on there, and then we've got lock, unlock, trunk, and panic. And it just needs to be on your person. So here's the exhaust button. If you wanted to just open the ports, you can do that. This one here, LC, traction control. So we've got, and then 4 ways there. So some different options. And then we've got our 6-speed transmission. Also, if I put it in reverse, there's your backup camera. And then we've got our cup holder, our e-brake, and in here, let's see, we've got a USB port and a 12-volt socket. So let's just hop out with this one running and have a listen. Great sound to this car. Here it is from the front with the headlights on. Looks great. Scan down this side. Great sound to it. There you have it, folks. 2016 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350 here and available at munromotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.